Do you want to make money while you sleep? Then this video is for you. Selling AI digital products is one of the best ways to make money online in 2025. But I'm not just talking about any digital products. I'm talking about legit, profitable, AI-powered digital products that you can start selling today. The secret? Solving real problems. Think about it. What do people care most about? Health, wealth, and relationships. If you can create AI-powered digital products that help people make more money, get healthier, or improve their relationships, then people will throw money at you. So the first digital product you can sell is AI-powered online courses. Selling an online course is one of the best ways to start making money online and generating a passive income. The e-learning industry is booming at the moment, and people will pay a lot of money if you can solve those problems that are really burning up inside of them. One of the reasons why online courses are so powerful is because you only need to build it once. You can sell it multiple millions of times and actually make money while you're sleeping. Take Coursive, for example. They have an AI course that helps people to upskill their skills in AI. These guys are doing 6 figures monthly, and all they need to do is update the course whenever there's a new big update that happens in AI. That's the power of automation and scalability. With online courses, the pricing really matters. Make sure you really research the competition and base the value on the problem that you're solving. If you're solving a problem that has a low monetary cost to it, then obviously you're gonna have to do a lower ticket price. But if you're solving a really complex and big problem, helping with people's finances, for example, you can charge a lot more. But do a lot of research on what the competition are charging. The only downside of having an online course is it takes a lot of time to build. Therefore, it's super important, super critical that you actually validate your idea. You do as much research as possible, and you can see that there is demand for the course and that you're actually solving a problem. The worst thing you can do is spend a lot of time building the course and then find out that no one wants it. Next up, AI-generated ebooks. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT, we can literally make ebooks in a matter of minutes. Again, just like online courses, you really want to make sure that your ebooks are focused on those 3 pillars of health, wealth, and relationships. Creating novels and things like that, it's going to be a lot more harder to convert and make more sales. If you get stuck for ideas, make sure you leverage AI and ChatGPT. You want to be thinking about ways that you can improve people's biggest problems, whether that be losing weight, how to make more money, upskill their skill set, be more persuasive, or become a better husband, father, wife, that type of thing. The main challenge with ebooks is that you're usually going to be charging lower ticket. So because of this, it's really important that you leverage sites such as Amazon, Gumroad, or Etsy that have a lot of traffic already. They have a lot of eyeballs and people are actively searching to solve these problems on those tools. So I would really recommend once you have the ebook built and created, you sell it on one of the channels, the marketplaces that already has the traffic. So you don't need to start sending them all to your own store. Another trending digital product that you can sell right now is AI-generated templates. With these templates, all you need to do is set them up once, create them once, and sell them forever and ever with no extra effort. There's literally people out there making 6 figures a month selling templates that are built on tools such as Notion, selling anything from productivity planners, habit trackers, social media content planners, this type of thing. And thanks to the help of AI, you can actually help it to generate and build you one of these templates very simply, or even the concept, then find someone on Fiverr and Upwork who has the skills in Notion to build it out so it looks much more presentable. One of the ways to think about digital products is that we are actually in the business of packaging. You see, if I gave you a very expensive necklace right now, but I gave it to you in a plastic bag, you would see it as a lot of low value and it wouldn't really show the quality of its true worth. And that's a lot like these AI generated products. Your job is actually to make it as presentable as possible and then to sell it, get the eyeballs there, and people will buy it. A pro tip for selling these templates is using them as leverage or a way to get people into your full course or your higher ticket program. So for example, if you have a productivity template, then I recommend you build out a productivity course, which is a lot more higher ticket. Now people will, appreciate that low ticket offer and they'll trust you, and then they will convert into your higher ticket offer. Another way of thinking about it is if you have a productivity planner, you can start bundling your templates together as well so that you make more per customer. And there you have it, AI digital products that you can start selling in 2025. Which one are you going to try? If you made it this far, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.